Right. Okay. First thing is, 80 we got the actual amount of interest over the total amount of money that was in her bank account. And that's the general procedure. You put the actual amount that you're trying to express as a percentage over the total or over the original. Okay? And then what you have to do is change that into percentage. 3,200. Right? So put 80 on your calculator screen. When it's over, it's always divide. So divide by 3,200 and times by 100. Put your hand up when you've got it, so I know if the class is with me. Okay, right. What have you got, Kim?
2.5, I think.
2.5. They're doing it with that. Oh, they're doing it with that. Yeah, spot on, 2.5. So 2.5%. Not very good building society. I'd move my money if I were a... Yeah, I'm a rate. Any questions on that one? Okay. If you had... I've no idea. Ask Mr. White, you might know. He told you to come here. Mr. White told you to come here. But he's not told me anything about it. Come and ask me. Right. Well, not that I know of. What? Pardon? Well, not that I know of. Sorry about that, guys. If you had... Right, that's the exact test in English, Maths and Science. So, five votes for English. Who thinks he did best in Maths? Who thinks he did best in Science?
Maths,
Why is it hard to tell? There are three different tests, obviously. What else is different?
It might be Maths.
Might be. It's hard to tell. Honestly, guys, it's not easy for me to tell. Right, the reason why it's difficult is because these tests have all been done out of different amounts. English has been marked out of 80, Maths is marked out of 20, and Science is marked out of 70. The only thing I can say with any certainty is it's done pretty well in all of them, test scores, but which is done best in, I don't know. Now, a very good way to find out would be to change them all into percentages, which teachers often do anyway, not always, but a lot of tests. They mark it out of whatever marks convenient. You know, if there's 20 questions, they might mark it. Right, 74 divided by 80 times by 100. Put your hand up when you've got it, and then I know everybody excellent. Right, let's see what they get. Right, well, they put it the same way. Right, so that's what you did. But now 2.5, I told you you'd done well. Very good score for English, that. Okay? Everybody alright? Alright, next one then, Math. So again, these got
42.
right. Now say that again for me, Mark.
Yeah.
Mark, what did it say on your calculator? Yeah.
Book calculator.
Has anybody got anything else from that? What have you got, Louise? 429.
Oh, we got that one.
Right, I know what that is. That particular number does not turn into a nice percentage. It isn't because you've done it wrong. Not all numbers turn into nice percentages. The exact answer is probably even more figures than that. Those calculators I lent you, which to be honest with you is very simple, cheap calculators, you've only got that number of figures on the screen. There isn't room for them to put any more figures. Okay? But you mustn't think that that's the exact answer, because if you've got a calculator with a bigger screen, like Louise has, it will give you even more figures. And if you did it on a bigger calculator or on a computer program with lots of room on it, it will give you even more. It's a really, really horrible decimal. Okay?